So one of the first things that you'll notice when you look at your astrology chart and you're learning astrology, you want to look at elemental pairings. You want to look at the colorings, and they're color coded. So you're going to see in red, all the way at the top, you're going to see Mars. And then over here-ish on your chart, you're going to see like Venus. And it's going to look like a little circle with like a plus sign off of it. Now, they're in fire. And I want to say Mars is at 10 degrees and Venus is at 6. So they're within 10 degrees of each other, which makes a trine. And that's a very, very favorable, easygoing, happy aspect, if you will. And of course, it's male and female, and they're where they belong, because you've got the masculine in Mars, where it is in Aries or Leo. It's exalted in those masculine signs. So you've got the Venus is in the more passive. It's in Aries, so it's right. So it's a really great time for men and women to get together, as long as it's passionate and it's fire. So that's one thing you could look at, and that's definitely an aspect that will last for the next few days. So it's a great time for men and women to get out there and experience something that is, exciting and passionate. And then you're going to see like this whole pile in Pisces. And Pisces is blue. You're going to see something that looks like a chair. That's Saturn. So that's in a water sign. So that requires discipline. And it wants traditional knowledge. And it's a good place for learning. So if you want to get into a deep conversation, that's also something that men and women can do. And it's not really going to bristle that much, because you can get those two elements to work together. Because when you get fire and water together, you get steam. So in Pisces, even though Saturn is there and wants you to do your work and tends to make things a little bit more work than you're used to them being, it can teach you lessons, very valuable lessons about blending